Okay, my dear students, I have done first 6 for you, and from 7 till 20 you have to do it by yourself. It's for your practice, and you must know that what are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, once again I will tell you that countable are those which we can count, and uncountable are those nouns which cannot be counted. Okay, and which cannot be separated individually. Okay, and we can apply number in front of countable, and with countable nouns, and with uncountable noun we cannot apply any number. Okay, so now uncountable nouns quantity. In completing the above exercise, you must have noticed that sometimes we use a word or words with some uncountable nouns to give an idea of quantity, that is how much. Okay, like no electricity, some toothpaste, all his money, and too much coffee. You must remember that these words give us only an idea of quantity, little, some, much, but not the exact number or count. Okay, yes, you have seen that. I have told you before that we will use some, all, much, a little, these words with uncountable. Okay, but we sometimes we use how much with the uncountable noun as well. Okay, just to know about the about the quantity, to have an idea about the quantity. Okay, so the next one, with some uncountable nouns, we can use a word or words to give an idea of quality, like of what kind, like yes, of what kind of the uncountable noun it is, like bad luck, foul weather, green tea. Okay, so let's move to the next page. The article the can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Like the countable are, the boy worked very hard to finish the task in time. Yes, the boys worked very hard to finish the task in time. Okay, so uncountable, the water in the kettle was boiling. Yes, we can apply the is an article. Okay, so we can an, and the. Okay, so the can be used with countable and uncountable both. Okay, the article a or an, however, can be used only with countable nouns, because such cases a or an means one, which is definite number. Yes, in they are telling us that we will use a or an only with countable noun because it means only one. Okay, he saw a man walking down the road. So a man, it is used for common noun or for a singular. Okay, and the children were thrilled when they were taken for a ride on an elephant, because there is one elephant, so they will say, it will call, say an elephant. Okay, so let's do the next exercise. Choose the correct forms of the words from those given in brackets and rewrite the following sentences. Little, baby or babies usually drink milk or milks. So what will be the correct sentence? Little babies usually drink milk, not milks. Okay, seeing so much blood or bloods, Rita fainted. Seeing so much blood, not bloods. Okay, Rita fainted. The van or vans were waiting to collect the luggage or luggages of the passengers. So the vans were waiting to collect the luggage of the passengers. You must produce a letter from your parents to explain your frequent absence or absences. Yes, absence. Okay, I hate noise or noises and do not like loud music or musics. I hate noise and so do not like loud musics. People believe that if you drink the water or waters of this river, you will never suffer from any illness or illnesses. So water and illness. Okay, can you lend me some book or books to read? Yes, can you lend me some books? Okay, I have so much spare time that I don't know what to do. Thank you for all the help or helps you gave me when I was in trouble or troubles. Yes, thank you for all the help you gave me when I was in trouble. Rita has cut her hair or hairs very short. Yes, hair is always plural, or doesn't have a plural. It is always hair. Okay, the children had great fun or funs watching the puppet show. The fun. Okay, John's friend wished him good luck or luck in his new business. Luck. Okay, so do till 12 till 15 by your own self. The next one, it is use a word in the box below to fill in the blanks given before the underlined uncountable nouns to give an idea of quantity or quality. Yes, like I have told you, with uncountable nouns we will use all, any, a little, some, a lot of, no. Okay, these words. So did you drink dash milk today? Did you drink some milk today? Okay, how dash rice did he eat at lunch? How much rice did he eat at lunch? He had so much time. So, sorry, let me read the whole sentence for you first. He had so dash time to study during the day that she had to stay up most of the night reading and writing. So she had so little time. Okay. My uncle likes to drink coffee with a lot of sugar in it. Okay. Would you like to listen some music? There is a saying that dash news is good news. No news is good news. Okay. Number 7. The parents were very anxious, for they had not received any information or no information regarding their son. Would you like some bread with your mutton stew? Dash's luggage was stolen. He had no clothes to wear the next day. All his luggage was stolen and he had no clothes to wear. And though he is very rich, he refuses to pay any part of the money he owes me. Okay. So, yes, okay. So, this is your work for today, and countable nouns and uncountable nouns, what we will use.